She going to be the senior software. She's all going to be exactly.
Coming in at $19, this cooler is a pretty good deal. The Thermalright Assassin, is it the Assassin? Yeah, oh my god, the Assassin King. Sorry. Coming in at $129. Sorry, what? I don't know, you just got this face about you, I'm sorry.
What the hell does that mean?
Me, camera shy? Okay, young buck.
Okay, old buck.
Coming in at $100. I'm gonna come.
I'm gonna come.
Coming in at $129, we have the ASRock. Sorry, dude, I'm like dying right now. All right.
I thought I was struggling.
ASRock B650M Pro. All right. Oh, it's a B650M Pro RS.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I know this board.
You can tell the box originally, all the text on the box.
Dude, I'm gonna start tweaking out. Stop.
Stop licking your lips. Why are you smacking them lips?
Coming in at $129, we have the ASRock Pro B650M RS. This is an awesome motherboard. Don't even look at me. Why does the order matter?
It does.
Oh my god.
It does matter.
Does it matter? Does the order matter? You think it actually does? Now I'm doing the thing where I'm overthinking, because now I'm like, all right, do I need to say Team Group T-Crate Expert 32 gig DDR5 6000 megahertz white? Oh, so that doesn't matter. Okay. This is the Team Group. Oh god, man, I'm struggling today really bad. All right, I need to take my hoodie off after this. That's what it is. I'm hot. Actually, my back's soaked right now.
I forgot. I held it up like it was full.
Sir, are you to take some pictures?
Is your,
every old guy standing in like the grocery store right now?
yeah, you can see your moose knuckle. Oh my god, dude, that is.
More about the 9950X3D and what it's capable of.
And why it's the GOAT!
He's flying. He's flying. As it's slightly better than those P520 Xeons.
Okay. Jonah, what's this HP called?
G4.
Alright, that's crazy.
On top of that, it has a really cool CPU. The i7, is it the 878? And it has a really cool CPU. The i7 87. Oh, I did not get the shaft. But also some very similarities, because at $50 price point, you. Sorry, I said very similar. Yeah, I know. God, it hurts so much when Jonah corrects my speech, I swear to God. All right. Zen.
What's the last thing in our chat that says, no, I meant the trans, sad day?
Transmission. They were asking about, I was saying, because I'm going to be selling a truck. It's Jonas. We're selling that truck he has outside.
God. Nice truck there, boy. You got an Infinity over there. No, made those nice trucks.
All right. The AMD RX 9070 XT is here, and so today we're going to be doing a really nice, I almost said budget build. It's not budget. Balanced.
The way the false should be. And then he painted me and I'm balancing a graphics card on my head.
Wearing New Balances.
It's on my head.
Is this from Allie?
No, the box is right in front of there.
You should mention that though.
This CPU is not from AliExpress.
I swore I pulled it out of this box this morning.
It's giving Allie vibes, bro.
I swore I pulled it.
It's got that Shin Yen stamp on it.
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute.
I'm confused.
What's happening?
I just pulled that out of the board just now.
Because now I'm thinking about AM, they don't normally do this either.
No, that's 100% AliExpress. But why is it in that box?
Coming in at $169, we got a kind of budget board. This right here is the Asus TUF B650. What is this?
No, I
B650
think that's
Plus.
on the higher end of boards, I think. 169 is like pretty expensive. I mean,
Full size?
Yeah, you can get like the Eagles and stuff are like 140.
That's like
So
$20.
So $20 more dollars is high end
I
now?
wouldn't say that's high end, but it's a good board.
All right, yeah, okay. All right. Sure, I will do what the director tells me, Jonah.
Thanks, employee.
Hey guys. Hey guys, Matt here.
Wait.
Oh, God. Oh,
New graphics card power supply case.
He was like, Jonah, get in here now.
How's it going, guys?
Oh my God. Hey guys!
ToastyBros here.
Don't put these in the bloopers.
Guys, should we get Wolverine claws?
Lab culture.
Lab culture.
It eats magnets. All right. Ah! Up here
What
with
the
it.
hell is this?
It was during the stream and Tom walked up here with it and he's like, what is this for?
Today we are playing the eBay lottery because we bought a gaming PC potentially that may or may not have a GPU.
That's correct. Word from today's sponsor.